Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Kathy. For today's video, I'll be giving you tips on how to do D-Stash properly, how to buy from D-Stash properly, while showing you a haul that I recently got from a D-Stash. So I've been doing D-Stash buying for the past few years, and I've learned a thing or two, and I want to share it with you guys. If you are into journaling and gusto nyo pa rin makatipid, D-Stash is the way to go about it. Unfortunately, may mga scammers. So, how do we avoid them? I'll be sharing with you guys my best tip that I know on how to avoid them para konti lang yung nervyos. If this is something that you are interested in, please go ahead, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Again, any kind of interaction is super appreciated by small YouTubers like myself. Okay, welcome back. So again, my name is Kathy, and for today's video, we will be opening my haul from a D-Stash group. So, what are D-Stash? Actually, yung D-Stash, meaning, yung stash nila, dini-D-Stash na nila. So, inaalis na nila. Because it could be medical emergency, lilipat ng bahay, they're no longer into crafting. So, ayaw na nila. So, pag mga ganon, most of them would actually just kind of sell it for a much lower price. And yun yung habol natin. Kasi syempre, kahit na gusto natin ng brand new palagi, sometimes it's just, not economical. And walang point kasi nga, medyo may kamahalan din naman talaga yung ibang journaling items. So, when you see ang mga D-Stash, most of the time, ang dami pang brand new, never been used, or like literally, para bang na ano lang nila, anong tawag mo dito? Yung natambak lang nila kasi nga, journaling people love collecting these kind of things. But unfortunately, we don't always get to use it. So, how do we go about it? First of all, make sure that you join a legitimate D-Stash group. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Huwag yung mga walang admin. Huwag yung mga walang rules. Bakit? Kasi pag walang rules, free for all siya. Hindi mo ngayon makokontrol kung sino yung magbebenta, legitimate ba yung nagbebenta, or baka mamaya mas-scam ka lang. And syempre, ayaw po nating mas-scam tayo, 'di ba? Kasi, pinaghirapan nga natin yung money, and we wanna do this, kumbaga, for fun, for our own enjoyment, and kung masascam tayo, ayan, ito yung part din ng haul ko from a D-Stash. So, I will be showing you guys everything that I got from them. This is one. So, these are washi tapes. I know. I'm so addicted to washi tapes. Wala lang, ang saya kasi, parang pang-decorate sila. Pag nakikita ko sila, happy lang ako. So, I still get. So, what are the things to look out for? If you've already joined a legitimate D-Stash group, ayan na. I would say, first of all, lista nyo po lahat ng bibilhin nyo. Lahat ng minamain ninyo, no matter how small, right? 5 pesos lang. Mine. Lista mo, ilan yung minain mo. Bakit? Kasi, laging nangyayari sa akin to. I say mine. Oh my gosh, ang mura, 35 lang. Hala, 20 lang. Total bill, 2,000 plus. Huh? O, diba? Nakaka-shock ng pagkatao. So, ingat po tayo sa pagmamine. Make sure na kaya nating bayaran yung minamine natin. Kasi, kaya nga nila dinidistas yun for them to also make money. Diba? Ayan. So, this one, if I remember correctly, I got this for like 35 pesos. And it's super nice. It's kasi brand new pa siya. Diba? So, yun yung mga pinaka-inaabangan ko lagi. Yung mga brand new, yung natambak lang. So nice. See? Diba? Is it taking advantage? No, kasi they're the ones selling it and they're the one pricing things. So, pwede lang naman din talaga na it no longer serves a purpose for them. But to you, another man's trash, so to speak, is your treasure. So, hello, di ba? Nakatulong ka pa actually sa kapwa mo. Nakatulong. Gusto kayong ganon, di ba? Ayan. And then, so lista mo, di ba? Lista mo lahat ng mga minain mo. Make sure din na gusto mo talaga yung mga minamain mo. Huwag ka namang mine lang ng mine, tapos hindi mo pala babayaran. Kasi, na-happy ka lang mag-mine. Huwag gano'n. Actually, maraming mga joy miners. So, siguro na happy lang sila. May dopamine hit lang sila or endorphin hits. Kaya mine sila ng mine. Tapos, hindi nila babayaran, hindi nila bibilhin. Pangit yung gano'n, di ba? So, huwag tayong gano'n. Ganda! Diba? Naku, nagwawala lahat ng mga old washi tapes. Sabi na, hello, baka gusto mong gamitin mo na kami bago ka kumuha ng bago. I know. In that aspect, I'm a little bit irresponsible. I own up to it. So, okay. 1, join a legitimate D-stash group. Yung may admin, yung may rules, yung may nag-check talaga. 2, ilista mo lahat ng minamain mo. Be responsible. Calculate kasi small amounts can compound to 1,000 plus, 2,000 plus, 3,000 plus. Ano ba ang pinaka-baliw-baliw kong ganyan? I mind a lot of things. I was thinking, mura lang naman. Ang mura lang. So, oh my God, naging 5 figures sila. So, mind responsibly. Okay? Importante po yan. Para lahat tayo happy. Walang, alam mo yun, walang masyuket yung mundo na, oh my gosh! Ganon, di ba? Ayan. This one, super sulit. I think it's like 200. And, grabe. Ayan. Also, read the details. Ayan pala. O, di ba? Ang ganda. Read the details. Ano ba? Baka isang sheet lang, isang roll, isang loop, or the whole thing. Ako, I was so happy with this kasi it's the whole thing and it's brand new. Oh, it's brand new. So, sulit. So, learn to read the details para hindi ka madismaya. Because yan, nangyari na sa akin before. Akala ko, ang mura-mura niya, as in sobrang affordable. Yung pala, isang loop lang siya. Anong meaning? Parang isang rolyo. Hindi yung isang buong roll. Okay? Hindi isang buong ganito, so to speak. At pa pala yung iba kong na-mine na mga washi tapes. Ayan. So, ito, mukhang bawas na siya. Pero, as you can see, you can ask for details ha. Parang patingin ng ganito. Kasi baka mamaya, ang mura yung pala, 2 rolyo na lang. 'Di ba? So, ayan. 'Di ba? Super nice. Tapos, may mga ganito din. Ayan. And then, meron din tayong mga kawaii washi tapes. Cute siya. Tapos, nakapag-mine din ako ng stamps. O, 'di ba? So, again, it's not brand new, but, you know, it's usable. So, hello. Then, may mga wax seal din tayo na na-mine. Ayan. So, again, join a legitimate group, list down everything, read the details. Ngayon, also, find out the location. Kasi minsan, sobrang lalayo nila. As in, parang itong recent na binili ko, Dipolog. So, 1 week inabot bago dumating. Natakot ba ako? Aaminin ko, yes. Oh my God, baka na-scam ako. Thankfully, hindi naman. So, ayan. Super nice. So, notepad niya. Then, meron din siyang ganito na dini-stash. Ito naman, yellow. So, uso to ngayon Parang yung yellow na stickers na parang magkakasama. It's in a collection na. And then, may mga stamp. Ito ang pinakasulit kasi, nakita mo naman guys, sealed pa siya. Hindi pa talaga nagamit. So, binili niya lang. Tapos, hindi rin niya nagamit. O, diba? So, I got this. Technically, it is brand new. O, diba? Sobrang sulit. So, also learn to, yun nga, read the details. Find out kung brand new, news. Sinasabi naman nila pag matinong seller, they actually tell you, oh, may flaw yan, may sira yan dito, may ganyan. And they would show pictures of it. Okay? And then, ayan. Tada! Asaya. Ay, grabe, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Oh my God. Brand new sealed. Diba? 65 lang niya binenta. Asaya ko. Grabe. Tapos meron na, ito open na mga unicorn na babae. Tapos, meron din ganito. And may mga bulaklak. Tapos, meron din akong biniling notepads. Kasi ang mura ng benta niya ng notepads. Eh, di ba mahilig-hilig din ako sa notepads. So, syempre, may I-mine ako. Alam mo bakit? Kasi, itong mga notepads na to, 4 yan ha. Binenta niya for 25 pesos. Lahat na. So, tada! 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 Diba? I know, right? Ang tanda-tanda ko na. Pati wala. Kinikilig pa rin ako. Masaya lang ako. So, sabi nga, walang basagan ng trip. Tapos, may ganyan siya. Ayan. Basta all of these I got for like 2,000. And it's super sulit kasi may ganito pa. Doon pa lang sa mga ganitong tapes, sulit na. Ayan, nakuha ko din to. Naunahan ako dun sa iba eh. Ito naman yellow. Tapos meron din siyang vibes lang. Ito bukas na. Pero okay pa rin. Tapos meron siya yung mga parang stationery ng mga sulat-sulat. Ayan o. Oh, diba? Ang ganda nito sa journal. And then, these, she sold for 20 pesos per pack. Like, hello. Ang sulit. Oh. Ay! Ano yun? May nalaglag. Bahala na. Oh, no. Bukas yung blue. Okay. May tutubi. Actually, itong tutubi, namali lang ako ng mind. Pero syempre, pinangatawanan ko na. Kasi nga, 20 pesos lang. Oh. May mga ibon. Mga tulips. Meron pang mushroom. O, diba? Dito sa part na to, na-happy na ako sa pagmamine. Kasi, sobrang sulit na sulit. Oh. Ayan. See? Diba? So, again, you have to mine responsibly, ha? And then, you have to ask for the location. Kasi, bakit? Pag malayo po yung province nila, mas matagal po ang delivery. Huwag naman po tayong abusado na magdedemand tayo. Hindi, dapat agad-agad. Kasi hindi naman siya move to you. Most likely, it's going to be J&T. So, ano po yan? It will take time. Okay? Kalma-kalmahan lang natin. And then, meron din ako nakuhang ganito. I think this one, she sold for like 50. Ano, mga lalaki naman. O, diba? Tapos, saan pa tayo? Ang dami talaga, I swear. Ayan. Diba? Guys, sulit na sulit, oh. These are brand new. Or, sobrang konti lang nabawas niya. Like, sobrang sulit. May stamps pa. Oh, diba? And then, ito yung pinaka-sulit sa lahat. Like, this one, I was so happy. I got it. So, this is not brand new. But it worked kasi I tried it out. It's a paper shredder. She sold it for 95 pesos or 90 pesos. So, like, wala lang. Nakaka-happy lang siya. Nakaka-relax actually. Ayan, diba? So, yun lang naman actually. Join a legitimate D-Stash group, one with admin and rules that are being enforced. And then, list down what you mind. Make sure that you can afford to pay for that. And then, read the details. Ask for the location, timeline of the delivery, and how much the shipping fee will be. So, ito, dapat, it was 79 lang dapat. But because I bought a lot, it was a pretty big box. I paid, I think, 200. Sulit naman for everything. So, 2,200 for everything. And, you know, for me, it really was very, very sulit. Kasi, hello, some of the parang mga ganito, I already know na it's at 300 plus. So, for all of these, anyway, I hope nakatulong my D-Stash tips to you guys. Now, how do you avoid getting scammed? Pag sinend nila sa yung mode of payment, i-post mo sa Facebook, sa search, yung numbers nila. And then, hanapin mo kung may complaints about them, may scam about the number. Pag wala, chances are, they're legitimate. Kasi yung mga scammers, syempre, they use the same number lang most of the time. And then, pwede mo na i-google yung number kung may any parang post about it na this is fraud, this is a scam. That's one way that I make sure. Also, I always mention in passing that my husband works sa QCPD to scare off the would-be scammers. But, yun lang naman. I hope that helped you guys. And again, I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye!